Today we'll talk about how can you find and send messages on your Clubhouse app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Clubhouse app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do now, just go down here. So you click here in this sign down here. You just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. And here you will find all messages you have in this list here. So here you will find all messages you have. Like you see here, I have no messages, but if you have any message, you will find it here in this list on your Clubhouse app. So that's all you have to do to see all your message you have. So that's all. I wish you I get it. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.